Okay, sir. So, as a base guider, our main responsibility is to understand everything that happens inside the base and with the soldiers. We are responsible for guiding them, enhancing their knowledge about the base, and helping them become better soldiers, sir. Um, because I want to teach and guide other soldiers to help them become better, sir. I also want to show my best and share my knowledge so they can learn more. So, as a base guider, sir, I expect to guide new recruits around the Army base, helping them become familiar with the area and understand how things work inside the base. Yes, sir. Civilians or gang members are not allowed to be inside or take control over the base. If they are found inside, we command them to leave the Army base immediately. Okay, so if a new recruit does not listen, we correct them using macros and, if necessary, use a taser to regain control over the situation. Okay, so the first one is if a civilian approaches the concrete area, ignore ignores warnings and behaves inappropriately, we can use lethal force after a 10-second countdown. Second, if a civilian enters the base using a vehicle. And lastly, if a civilian attacks us or shows hostile intent, we can defend ourselves. Yes, sir, I'm definitely sure. But as a soldier, I'm prepared to fulfill my duties. I want to show my skills and help other soldiers or recruits who need assistance inside the army, sir. There are four material theft events in the army, sir. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, there are six now. We're not allowed to eat during material theft events, sir. After, yeah, yeah, when you respond in the hospital, but there's a certain area where you can eat after you respond, and afterwards you cannot eat anymore. For the base guide tour, sir? Oh, just in general. Okay. Actually, I don't have because I think uh, right now we're very organized, especially during raids. So I think we're doing pretty fine, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir. I already have it. I'm prepared. I've been waiting for the interview like for 3 days now, I think. All right. Thank you so much, Sir Elan.